Hi guys, welcome to another RGI Easy Sewing tutorial with myself, Avena Prince, and we are just continuing our series on body shapes. Today we're going to go specifically into the pear shape body, but I just want to take a few matters into consideration when talking or when finding out what your body shape is. Now, number one, do note that body shapes change. Perhaps in your teen years you could have been an hourglass, but so much has happened. Right now you're maybe an apple shape, or perhaps you might have started as an apple shape and now you are a pear shape or you are an hourglass. That happens because life happens, and as life happens we have different schedules. There are times when you include exercise in your schedule, and then there are times when you're not exercising. So for example, if we think of the celebrity Adele, if you just think of the transformation that she has gone through. She used to be an apple shape, however right now she's an hourglass. So changes like that are very possible, and especially if you are a shape that you are not comfortable with, it is possible for you to do certain things or eat certain foods that will actually help you to change your shape. Now, things like that can sometimes be drastic. It's not something that I'm telling you to go to do, it's just something that I'm saying happens. So don't stress yourself. The main thing about it is dressing for your shape, and of course that's why we are doing this series, because you can wear clothes that don't flatter your figure, but you can wear clothes that flatter your figure and make you feel confident. So let's get into it. Please take some time to subscribe to this channel if you haven't already, and also hit the notification bell so you know as soon as we post videos. This will help our channel to grow and will help YouTube to recommend our channel to other viewers who are interested. Thank you. So today we're talking about the pear shape, and as you can see in our diagram, the top part is smaller than the bottom part. Your hip is going to be much wider than your waist and your shoulders or your bust, as well as you will have a very defined waist. But again, the top of your body is going to be smaller than your hip. Celebrities who have a pear-shaped figure are Kim Kardashian and Rihanna. So if you look in the mirror and you find your shape is similar to theirs, then we are going to talk about the type of clothing that is best for your shape. Now, before we go into that specifically, I want to mention a few matters that you should take into consideration in general, in spite of your body shape, when you are selecting clothing. They're as follows. For one, pay attention to prints, because the larger the print, the wider that part of your body where you put it on will look. You want to pay attention to patterns, because patterns have the tendency to make you look slim or to make you look large. So take for example, if you are wearing garments that have vertical lines, you're going to look longer, as opposed to if you wear garments that have horizontal lines, that will make you look wider. You also want to pay attention to what is called eye direction. Understand that whenever you dress, in spite of what you are wearing, you can cause somebody's eye to be directed in a particular place. So if you are very conscious of your bust, or if you are very conscious of your tummy, you want to wear garments that will take somebody's eyes away from there. A good example is that if you have a very large bust and you don't want to draw people's eyes to that area of your body, you do not want to wear garments that have a lot of ruffles in the bust area, because the moment we watch you, that's where our eyes will go, directly to where you have more going on. However, if you wear ruffles down towards the lower part of your body, again, it will take the eye direction away from that part of the body and focus it to the lower part of your body. So wherever you put focus, that is where eyes will go. You also want to balance off your body when you dress. Something else you want to consider is the color of your garments. There are colors that will give a slimming effect, like black and dark colors, and there are colors that will give a wider effect. like light colors. So in spite of your body shape, these are things you want to take into consideration when you're choosing a wardrobe. So without further ado, we're going to speak more specifically about the pear shape. As someone with a pear shaped figure, one of the things you want to do when you're selecting your garments or when you're selecting your outfits is to choose outfits that will create a balanced figure. So remember, the bottom half of your body is much wider than the top half. So when you are selecting your garments, you want to choose clothing that even you out, that will accentuate your waist, yes, but give the illusion that your top half and your bottom half are the same. So let's dress you from the top go down. Okay guys, so if you are pear-shaped or if you are dressing someone with pear-shaped, you want to select garments that have a wide neckline because you want to draw the eyes into that direction. So off shoulders, single shoulders, v-neck, these are along the lines that you want to go towards. You also want to pay attention to the bra that you wear. You want bras that will lift your bust as opposed to bras that will cause your bust to droop. Blouses and dresses with ruffles on top are advisable. Remember, we are creating a balanced figure, and the garments that have ruffles to the top will add fullness and volume to that part of the area and help to create the balance we are looking for. Empire-waisted dresses, again, help to draw attention to the top half of your body. And when we talk about dresses that are empire-waisted, we're talking about dresses where the waistline is directly below the bust. By way of color, wear printed tops. So printed tops again will draw attention away from your bottom half and towards your top half. Now while you wear printed and colored blouses, you want bottoms that are solid and preferably dark, because dark colors help to create a slimming figure. Keep in mind that for the pear shape, weight gain happens often first in the bottom half of the body before anywhere else. Now for dresses in general, if you wear tight dresses, if you wear bodycon dresses, of course these are going to accentuate your hips. And now for our dresses, we're looking at ball gowns, A-line dresses, feet and flare dresses, as well as flare dresses. All of these styles will look flattering on the pear-shaped figure. So as we discussed, I hope you noticed the different inserts that we had, giving you ideas and indications of the best outfits for your shape if you are pear-shaped. We hope that you found this video very informative, and talk to us. What body shape are you? What are your concerns when you dress for your body shape? And let us know what it is you would like more information on, and for sure we will answer your questions or respond to your comments in the comment section below. Now if you have not subscribed to our channel, please do so as soon as we post the next video on body shapes, then you will be aware of that. Until next time, bye.